In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically attach PDF invoices to WooCommerce order emails. This is an incredibly efficient way to streamline your order processing and ensure your customers receive all necessary documentation seamlessly. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, we need to install a specific plugin that will handle this task for us. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand side. Click on Add New, which will take you to the WordPress plugin repository. In the search bar, type in WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips. This is the plugin we'll be using to generate and attach PDF invoices automatically. Once you locate the plugin, simply click Install Now. After a few moments, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and activate the plugin so we can start configuring it. Now that we have our plugin ready to go, it's time to configure the general settings. Click on WooCommerce in the menu, and under it, you should see an option for PDF invoices. Click on that, and you'll find yourself in the Plugins Settings panel. Here, we're focusing on the General tab. Let's enable the invoice option first. This will allow the plugin to generate invoices for the orders placed through your store. Next, it's time to set the invoice date. You have a choice here. You can choose to use either the order date or the invoice date. Think about what makes the most sense for your business operations and choose accordingly. Another important setting here is determining the order status that triggers the invoice creation. A common choice for this is when the order status is marked as completed, but feel free to select an alternative that suits your workflow best. With those basics taken care of, let's move on to the next step, attaching PDFs to your order emails. Switch over to the Documents tab, still within the same plugin settings. Here, you need to enable the PDF option, which is crucial for attaching invoices to emails automatically. Below this, you'll see a section titled Attach Invoice PDF to WooCommerce Emails. This is where you'll select which email classes should include the attached invoice. If you're unsure, it's often helpful to attach the PDF to processing order and completed order emails, as these are the most common communication points with your customers regarding their purchases. And there you have it. With these settings in place, every relevant WooCommerce email will automatically include a PDF invoice, simplifying your workflow and ensuring that your customers receive the documentation they need. This straightforward setup saves time and enhances customer satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!